Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Tina and normally my aim would be to improve your drawings just like others have done for me when I just started out. But today I want to improve your working station. So this is what we're going to create today. It's a crafting station or a creative station, however you want to call it. I'm gonna paint here, I'm gonna do my pastel drawings from here. And then I have this new tool, which is the Cricut, that I will be using here as well. So let's get on with this video, and next week I promise I will be back with another drawing tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, this is the area that we're going to transform right now, which has all of my pastel drawers here with the pencils and the soft pastels, my old pastel storage box. And this used to be a drawing table, but I've never really used it because the table, when you put it up so you can draw on it, it bends. So for filming purposes, it would only be like this, which is really annoying to watch. So it has become sort of a storage unit where you can see everything is just put on there in a random order so I can find everything when I need to. And now we're going to transform it into a beautiful crafting station, or at least that's the idea. So let's get on with this. Hey guys, so we arrived at IKEA, so now we're first going to grab a bite because we're very hungry, and then after that we're going to go and grab our storage material so we can build it all up together so we can get our amazing crafting table. Stay tuned for more. Okay, so we're on with the assembly. That's all done. So now let's put it all together on our moving platform so we can get that crafting table that we want to. Those, by the way, are the four closets we just assembled, which went rather quickly, actually. So no harm done yet. Let's move on. So, as you can see, the four little shelves right here are finally done. They were a pain in the ass. They seem so simple, but I hated getting the little, how do you call that, the metal pieces to hang them up. I don't know the word anymore, the screws. So I hated putting the screws on the same distance every time and then the same height, because even if it's 3 millimeters apart or something like that, it doesn't fit. And I didn't use a ruler because I'm stubborn like that. So I had to drill 2 times again just to make sure that the holes fitted where they should be for the screws to fit in the little things, trays to hang them up. So they are probably not exactly level, but it's fine. I won't put anything in there that can't be like exactly level, something like that, so no matter. But on to the next one. Now we have to fill up the cabinet with all of the boxes and things for the vinyl and the Cricut and everything we have to store in there. So on to another 2 hours, 3 hours, I don't know. I'll tune in with you guys when I'm finished again and let you know how long I've worked on this project. But for now it seems like it's going rather quickly, or maybe that's just because I'm busy the whole time. I don't know anymore. Anyway, on to the next thing. that's it for today. I'm going to sleep now because it's nearly 12 o'clock here. So it was a whole day making this, but I'm really excited to use it in the future. So tomorrow there's a little to be done because we have curtains, because there's a huge window here, and if I want to film a tutorial or something like that and there's direct sunlight, it's very, very bad for the camera because the light keeps changing. So those are to be hung tomorrow. And then I think that's about it, and then I fill this up. Right now you think I have a lot of space left, but watch this space. It will be filled in a minute. Good night. Okay, so as you can see, the table is still to be ready to be filled up now, but I still have not exactly an idea where I want to put everything and what I even want to put in the bags and the lower parts or in the upper part. I don't know yet. So I'm just gonna figure that out and then fill it up on a chill note. And then I can show you the finished result, which is this now. And this handy part here can collapse down because we have a little bit of spacing issues since this is in our kitchen room, because I don't have a studio for everything. So this is nice. It takes up 40 centimeters less space because of this, and whenever I want to work on it, I just do this and I can work on it. It's very cute and a really good idea. Sometimes you just have to be creative. Okay, so there I have put in the curtains, as you can see. That way I can make it really dark here. If I take these down, you can see the light going away, which the camera autocorrects a little bit, so you can't see it that obvious on camera, to be honest. But there you go. There I'm putting my Cricut mats right beneath, so it's really easy for me to grab them and they are not in the way. This has to be filled up with vinyl, so I have a lot of shopping to do. My wife will really like that. And this is for all my blanks that I want to be printing. I'll store them there. This is an empty cabinet where I don't know what I want to put there yet. And here I have my airbrush supplies and my airbrush paint all cooked up there. Here there's paint and everything, little things that I don't know where to put yet. And I even put a little acrylic painting because I don't have anything for that shelf yet, but that will change in the future. Here I can put my Cricut. It goes right through, which is really neat because it takes up no space at all. And of course the back, you have seen the back a little bit before, but I'll show you a closer look now. That's my wife, by the way. Say hi. Wow, she's really really impressed. Okay, so this is the Skadis from IKEA, and it's really neat to hang things on because you can get all these little clips and then you can just, well, hang stuff off of them, which is really handy. But I still have to fill up a lot on that space too, as you can see, and it was really a pain in the ass to install, so I'm really happy that it worked in the end. Here I will put all my soft pastel and Pon Pastel things. There are my pastel pencils. This is for vinyl and cardstock paper, and there you can see the Cricut from the other side going through. A lot of storage there that I have to fill up, but I will, no doubt about that. And then here I will be getting a heat press to press like baby clothes and everything like that in the future, I hope. So that will become storage for that, with a little door that I have ordered from IKEA, but it's not delivered yet, so that's something to do in the next week, I suppose. And then yeah, that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and then maybe if you want to have a crafting table for yourself, you can take it as inspiration. You can switch it up by going from other storage solutions from IKEA. It's really handy to put it all together, and it takes up practically no time. I've spent a working day on this. It has been 8 hours or something like that. So yeah, okay, it's a lot of time, but if you spend one day, then you can have all of this to enjoy for the next years to come, and it takes up a lot less room in your house once it's filled, which is not yet, but it will be very soon. So okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice week. Goodbye.